Hi everyone. Today we're gonna prepare the Moroccan spring rolls with potatoes and spinach. We call them briwatts. Let's start. We need some pastilla dough, some smoked turkey or any kind of meat you like, 2 large onions chopped like this, some spinach, teaspoon salt, teaspoon black pepper, teaspoon ginger powder and teaspoon paprika. We need some cheese. Use any kind of cheese you like. Some olive, some parsley and coriander, 2 cloves of garlic, some chili, half a glass of oil, glass of cooking cream, some mashed potato, and finally some thyme. In medium heat, pour the oil, add the onion chopped, stir from time to time, then add the spices, the garlic and chili, then add the parsley and coriander, mix everything together, add the spinach and mix. Add the smoked turkey, then add olive, cheese, and thyme. Mix everything. Add the cooking cream and mix. Now we mix all these ingredients. Now we're going to assemble the spring rolls. We need the filling, the spring rolls pastry and some flour. We mix it with some water and we need some butter. The last step is to cook the spring rolls. We brush them with butter and bake them in both sides until they become golden brown. Now our spring rolls is ready. Bon appetit!